We're Toastmasters where leaders are made. Now we have 300,000 members in about 186 countries, and it's an incredible program for both public speaking and leadership.
As a multicultural community, people need to communicate in both languages, Spanish and English. Toastmaster is an amazing opportunity for people who is afraid to speak in public, who is afraid to sell themselves, and they don't know how to sell their business or their services. And Santa Clarita really needs a Toastmaster group, and especially bilingual. And here we are.
Here is the place that you can show yourself at the way that you are.
It will give me, for example, an opportunity, the tools that is necessary to be able to communicate with the Latinos, because English is my native language.
You work at your own pace. You get to speak on the topics you want to speak on. It's a quick, easy way to get over your fear and to really develop your craft of public speaking.